Welcome to the Wild Game Recipes. Today we're making elk chili with dark beans. This recipe takes 30 minutes to prep and 3 hours to cook, serves 10 to 12, and is advanced difficulty. Ingredients: 3 pounds ground elk, 1 pound, for fat content, ground pork, 2 large onions, 6 cloves garlic, 2 bell peppers, 3 tablespoons chili powder, 1 tablespoon ground cumin, 1 teaspoon smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon oregano, half teaspoons cayenne pepper, 2 cans, 14.5 ounces, diced tomatoes, 2 cans, 15 ounces, kidney beans, 2 cans, 15 ounces, black beans, 3 cups beef stock, 2 tablespoons tomato paste, 2 tablespoons brown sugar, salt and pepper to taste, and toppings cheese. Step 1. Meat browning. Brown ground elk and pork in large Dutch oven over medium-high heat, breaking up clumps. Cook until no pink remains, about 10 minutes. Step 2. Vegetable base. Add onions and bell peppers to meat. Cook until softened, about 8 minutes. Add garlic and cook 1 minute more. Step 3. Spice blooming. Add chili powder, cumin, paprika, oregano, and cayenne. Cook, stirring constantly for 1 minute to release oils. Step 4. Liquid addition. Add tomatoes, beans, stock, tomato paste, and brown sugar. Stir well to combine. Step 5. Simmering. Bring to boil, then reduce heat to low and simmer partially covered for 2.53 hours, stirring occasionally. Step 6. Final seasoning. Taste and adjust spices, salt, and pepper as needed. And that's how you make elk chili with dark beans. Get this recipe and 400 more in the Wild Game Recipes app on the App Store. For more recipes, visit thewildgamerecipes.com.